Okay, LeetCode problem 2390. We're removing stars from a string. So basically, you're given a string S, and each time you see this star, you need to remove the element to the left of it. So here we've got two stars, so we need to remove the L or the T and then the E. So now we're just left with the LE, and then here we find another star, we get rid of the D, and so now we just have COE. So to do that, we're going to use a stack to order the elements as they come in. They'll be stacked on top of one another, and when we get and as we're looping through the string S, when we find a star, we'll check if there is something on the stack to remove, and if there is, we'll just pop it off, and we won't worry about adding that star anywhere. So that automatically just removes it from the string. So start off by creating a stack, and then we'll loop through our string S. So for let I 0 so looping through this string S, we need to check if the stack has something in it to remove, because if it doesn't, we'll probably get an error. And we need to check if the current character to add in string is equal to this star character. And then if it is, we'll just pop the top character off the stack, and then we'll increment I by 1. Oh, this should be a while loop. So we don't have to worry about iterating through every single time. We just do it here in this while loop and get rid of all the previous. So like for example, here we've got 2. If we just stuck with that if condition, it would go through and it would remove 1, and then it would loop through again and remove that second one. But here with this while loop, we can get rid of these two, the T and the E, in one stop. So it just shrinks our code a little bit, makes it more simple. And then we increment I, so our while loop can catch up with this for loop. So if we don't find a star, that means we can just add the current value, so S, to the stack. And then after that, we'll just return stack. We'll just return the stack and join it as a string with this join method here. And we'll run it, and it should work.